Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Audubon Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2015 Toyota Sienna SE Technology. And the most notable features on this technology is its power moonroof. You have your DVD player as well as your navigation system. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2015 Toyota Sienna SE Technology. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this SE Technology is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lights. And then if we take a closer look just over on the side, you do have your 19-inch aluminum alloy wheels. You also have your foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors. And then if you take a look on the inside of the mirror, you're going to find your blind spot monitoring indicator. Now with that indicator, it'll actually light up just alerting if there is another vehicle right beside you. And I'm just going to show you really quickly here just what the second row actually looks like. So as you can see, you have your second row captain seats, and then you have your foldable third row, which I'll show you a little bit later on here. Sunshade visors located in the third and second row windows, just so you can block out some of that sun. And then if you take a look up top, you'll find the DVD player, just to entertain the kids on those long trips. Now the close button will just be located on the inside of the pillar there. So you just have to push on the button once and it will close for you automatically. And then as you can see, it does offer the jam protection feature. So if you or your kids possibly get their hand or arm jammed to the door, you don't have to worry, because once the door does senses there's an obstruction in the way, it'll open itself back up automatically. And then closing it from the outside, just pull on the handle once more and it will close for you automatically. The color we're going to be taking a look at today is white, and taking a closer look just at the front dash as well as the front seats. Black interior, power driver's seat with lumbar support, traction control on and off, blind spot monitoring on and off, mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls. Now a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your volume control, seek function, mode select, voice recognition, Bluetooth connectivity, cruise control, and it does come equipped with the push button start. So all you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Now taking a look at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So if we take a closer look, distance to empty, fuel economy, you can also go through and take a look at your compass, audio, messages, and settings menu, just so you can personalize everything for yourself. Taking a look at the center dash area, as you can see, if you go inside the apps menu, you have your navigation, audio, phone, as well as a couple of other additional features. Dual zone climate control settings with your rear temperature controls located in the center. Hazard lights mounted to an automatic transmission, USB and auxiliary input with the heated seat controls for your driver and passenger, power outlet, and one located just down below there as well. You have the auto-dimming rearview mirror with the integrated garage door opening controls, and then you have the open and close and tilt up and down feature for the power moonroof with the power liftgate release. And then taking a look at the backup camera, as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you're backing into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now located just on the back, you're going to find your backup camera on the left-hand side and the rear hatch release located in the center. As you can see, you have a 60-40 split for the rear seat, so if you need some additional space, it is available to you. Now, as you can see, if you forget how the seats fold or unfold, the instructions are located just on the back of the seat there. And then even with the seats folded up, you still have plenty of space located down below, and you'll also have the cargo liner on the back here as well. So if you spill any liquids while you're transporting anything, it's easy to clean up afterwards because you can have it removed and clean up properly afterwards. Now this middle seat is actually from the second row, so if you're not actually using it, you can actually have it stored over here, or if you are, you can actually use that as additional cargo space. Now if you take a look on the right hand side, you'll find that rear cargo power outlet as well. And then when you're all finished up, just push on the back of the tailgate once and it will close for you automatically. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Audubon Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.